Dozens are dead following a suspected chemical attack in northern Syria. A monitoring group says at least 58 people were killed, including at least 11 children. The group says all the victims are civilians. The rebels say warplanes carried out the attack in the rebel-held town in the country's Idlib province, but both Syria and Russia have denied responsibility. It's the third claim of a chemical attack in just over a week in Syria. Both France and Britain are calling for an emergency UN Security Council meeting.